Hello, I love you all. Like and subscribe for more.
Money Academy.
How to create AI avatar like you see here on thumbnail without using the ID for free. So first of all, let's go to leonardo.ai and create our avatar. I will let you the prompt right here. Here I will choose 9:16. Here I will change it to, don't want Chinese, I will do Japanese. Monk. Okay, let's generate our avatar. For here I will check this one and do just, I want 2 image right there, and let's see the results. So here are the result right here. This one and the other one, this one, this one, this one, this one. You can choose whatever you want. For me, I will choose this one. I will just go here and click to upscale it a little bit. Okay, next step is go to, for this one I will just upscale. Yes, now the result is better quality, as we see here, working. Now I will download. After that I will just go and click on this generate motion. I just let here for the one, and we will wait to have to generate our video right here on Leonardo AI. Here is our video in MP4 format. I will just do some mimics and move his lips. It's our video in MP4. So we'll just open it right there. So now let's go to the next step. Next step is to search on Alamo Studio. And click let's start. Here we will add our audio, upload our video right here. So for me the video was here on download. I will just search on download document to see my video. There is. Wait to upload your video. Here it is. For the audio here I can choose the audio I want, or add any audio as you like. You can write your script and it will be generated with the AI, but for me I will just upload. I will just upload this audio right here. I will just find the location. Upload the audio. Okay, this is my audio. I'll just upload. This is our audio as we can see right here. This is our audio, and now you can click here generate lips for the video, and we are waiting for the result now. We'll just pause the video. As we see here, this is the result, final result. You can just click here and save this video, and this is the final result as we can see here.